it's Shannon, and today I'm doing another review video for you all. So today I'm going to be reviewing this product from Natrogix, I think is how you say it. And it's a Biotin, which is, trying to read the description here. It has 10,000 mcg per veggie soft gels. And what it's supposed to do is to help with hair loss. It's supposed to support hair growth, glowing skin, and strong nails. And for $18, you get 120 mini veggie soft gels. So I will show you what they look like. So this is what they each look like. They just look like, I don't know, like a little egg or something. I don't know. And they're like squishy. I don't know if you can see me squishing it. But I've been taking one of these a day for about 2 weeks now. And I will say, I have very weak nails from where I bite my nails all the time and everything. And I will say that my nails feel a lot stronger as they're growing out. And my hair does seem like thicker, I guess. It hasn't really got much longer because I just cut it. But it does feel like it's getting thicker, and like it doesn't feel as damaged or anything as it normally would because I just bleached my hair. So that's good. One thing I will say is the packaging doesn't really make sense to me. Like, I love the bottle, don't get me wrong, but you get 120, so this is how much it fills up, probably. Why do we have to have this gigantic bottle? You know? I mean, I like the bottle. I think it's really nice. It looks kind of like one of those old-fashioned like glass bottles, but it's like hard plastic. And then I really like the lid. This color is really pretty. And yeah. Anyways, what was I saying? So you take one of these a day with a meal. And what it's supposed to do is help your digestive tract and metabolism, help your nails and hair. I don't know what that says. I can't read that. But like I said, it promotes the healthy hair, skin, and nails. It supports cell growth and production, supports healthy metabolism, and supports digestive health. So it helps with a lot of things besides just being a vitamin to help your hair grow and stuff. And I don't think that it's that expensive. I mean, 120, that's going to last you a couple months. For $18, that's pretty good. I'm just noticing my camera's all foggy and I don't know why. So, apologies for that. So they're not hard to swallow at all. I have a lot of trouble taking pills personally, and these don't bother me at all. I can easily just down them pretty easy. Like take one, no problem. The main thing I've noticed is how like strong my nails have been, given they're super short right now. But like even before, I could feel like how brittle my nails were, and I can feel like the difference just when I touch my nails and everything. So this product contains a water-soluble vitamin that's found in oatmeal, vegetables, and soy. And I guess the biotin that it's made from will be better absorption in your body compared to like capsules or tablets. Yeah. It's 100% vegetarian. Not vegetarian. What am I saying? I haven't slept in like 4 days. So, it's 100% vegetarian, non-GMO certified, which I like. I feel a lot of their description is very repetitive, and I'm just trying to read you like the facts. But yeah, I really like it. I feel like it's going to take longer than 2 weeks though to get full results, personally. So maybe I will come back in like maybe a month or two, and I will tell you the difference. I'll come back when I finish these, and I'll give you guys my full review on these, because I feel like this isn't something you can see the difference in 2 weeks, you know. I'm doing this review because this is when the campaign is due, so I have to have it posted. But so far, I'm really liking it. I haven't had any problems like with it making me nauseous or sick or affecting my appetite or anything like that. It's not really like had any bad effects or anything. And so far, I'm enjoying it. I like it. Snoop, what are you doing? And yeah, so I think that's it for today's video. I'll leave the link to these down below in case you want to check them out. And I think that's it for today. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.